Dear compatriots and distinguished guests, the State Institution National Museum of the Executive Office of the President of the Republic of Tajikistan cordially invites you to the international event Night at the Museum, which will take place on May 18 from 6 p.m. until 11 on its premises. This year's program is dedicated to the 35th anniversary of the state independence of the Republic of Tajikistan. Within the framework of the event, 35 diverse cultural and entertainment programs will be presented. And we're pleased to announce our valuable partners. Open Joint Stock Company, Alif Bank, as a general sponsor of the event. Closed Joint Stock Company, Shiri Dushanbe Dairy Plant, and Limited Liability Company, Taj Motors, as an official sponsors. And our partners, Asian Express, Asia Print, and Children's Entertainment Center, Cosmoland, all of whom made a significant contribution on the organization of the event. Please note that the admission of the museum in this evening will be free for both domestic and foreign visitors. We wish you an unforgettable evening filled with positive impressions. Welcome to the National Museum. It'll be truly magical.